So lastly, just in summary, the benefits and considerations of doing this type of insurance. The benefits is there is ready access to the funds. So they can offset the cost of finding a replacement and loss of revenue by quickly having access to this money, whether that is the death benefit or if they are using the cash value in finding a replacement if someone leaves the company. By using the permanent life insurance, there's the cash value potential. And then the cost efficiency, because the death benefit relative to premiums paid, it's often a good amount of benefit, like percentage wise. And then last benefit is personal insurance is available. The business policy doesn't limit personal protection, so they can have a policy on the insured that's owned by the business. The insured could have their own policy for personal reasons, or if the business wanted to provide some kind of bonus or incentive, they could also set up a plan where the employee's family is the beneficiary. And then things to consider with these kinds of plans. There's several funding and design options like I was discussing. So you want to be careful in deciding what's best for their situation, for their business type, or how established the business is, the size of the business. There's so many different factors to consider. And then the other consideration is using life insurance. They need to be healthy enough to qualify. So they're going to go through underwriting most likely. So they need to be able to pass the underwriting and get a decent rating to have the premium be something that they're willing to pay. And then the impact on the business is that if the owners could be subject to estate tax, they need to consider how to structure this. So that's just if you have a really high earning owner that you're working with, we need to just factor in what the estate tax implications could be. And lastly, the impact on the business assets. We want to see how it impacts capital and liquidity. It's an asset on the balance sheet, but we want to make sure that they have the means to do this and that the structure is right to do this type of plan. Oh, backwards. So key person insurance gives the added protection to have the funds necessary to recover from the loss of top talent. That is all that I have for today.